Unity 2D Game Development. This course will teach you what you need to know in order to make a 2D sprite-based game in Unity Editor version 5.6, the latest beta version at this time. The techniques used in this series are the same ones I used to make my own game Heart Battle for PC and mobile devices. Currently the course in progress, it will be completed in the coming month and should be updated from time to time with new relevant content after that as well. The rough finished course list should look something like this when done. 2D sprite game development in Unity. 1. Understanding the scene and game interface. 2. Animation. 3. Scripting. 4. Services. Who this course is for. 1. Enthusiast gamers who want to give making their own game a shot after playing other people's games. 2. Developers or aspiring game designers interested in making a 2D game project and willing to do some C# scripting. What will I learn? 1. Create a 2D game exportable for multiple platforms. 2. Work within the Unity editor to streamline game design and editing processes. 3. Import and use sprites, sound effects, music, and other assets inside of your game.